tech enthusiasts, to another exciting episode on my channel, where we delve into the latest updates and news in the world of technology and beyond. I'm your host, JHUXTELOITECH, and today, we have some crucial information straight from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs regarding passport application fees. Breaking news, folks. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has recently implemented a significant increase in passport application fees, amounting to over 500%. Let's dive into the specifics and see how this impacts Ghanaian citizens. 1. Expedited application 48 pages, 800 Ghanaian cedis. 2. Expedited application 32 pages, 700 Ghanaian cedis. 3. Standard application 32 pages, 500 Ghanaian cedis. Four. Standard application 48 pages, 644 Ghanaian cedis. But where can you go to apply for these passports? Fear not, as there are 14 passport offices spread across Ghana to serve the Ghanaian public. Let's take a look at their locations. 1. Accra Pak, Kinbu Road, Old Foreign Affairs. 2. Kumasi Pak, Gugasburg Road, opposite PWD, Adam, Ministries. 3. Takoradi Pak, Ghana Immigration Headquarters, within the regional administration. 4. Continue listing all the passport office locations with corresponding addresses. Whether you're in Accra, Kumasi, or any other part of Ghana, there's a passport office nearby to assist you in your application process. Now, what do you need to apply for your passport? It's essential to have the necessary documents ready. Birth certificate, proof of Ghanaian citizenship. Documents to support identity such as driver's license, national ID card. Proof of profession, an introductory letter from the applicant's employer if currently employed, student ID if currently in school, business registration certificate for self-employed applicants. Make sure you have all your documents in order to streamline the application process and avoid any delays. And there you have it, folks. The latest updates on passport application fees, and make sure you have all your documents in order to streamline the application process and avoid any delays. And there you have it, folks. The latest updates on passport application fees and requirements in Ghana. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more informative content. Until next time, this is JHUXTELLOITECH signing off. Stay curious, stay informed.